Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to recover a Roblox account without a password or email. So, let's get started. First, navigate to your favorite browser, like Google Chrome. Type roblox.com/support in the search bar and hit the enter button. This action will take you to the Roblox support page. Here, you'll see a Contact Us form. Fill out this form by following these steps. Enter your username and name in the related fields. These fields are optional. Type your email in the email address field and retype your email in the confirm email address field. Select the device you are having the problem on. Now choose the type of help you need, like account hacked or can't log in. A new selection box will appear. From this, select Forgot Password. Lastly, type a description of the issue. After completing the form, click on the Continue button located at the bottom of this form. A pop-up screen will appear. Now solve the puzzle and submit the form. An email will be received from Roblox on the provided email address after some time. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.